Hello everyone, and welcome to Galaxy 89 Cars. Today I'm bringing you an exterior and interior overview of the new 2019 Toyota GR Supra here in A90 edition from the 2019 Geneva Motorshow. After 17 years since the end of the 4th generation Supra that became a cult classic, the Supra has returned, now in its 5th generation. With GR standing for Gazoo Racing, there is hope for the Supra's potential. However, it isn't as pure as many enthusiasts would like, as it shares a lot with the new BMW Z4 M40i. Limited to just 24 cars in the UK, the A90 edition is based on the same technical platform as the standard Supra and has the same performance, but comes with the enhanced GR Pro spec, plus some special exterior and interior options. It shares its engine with the new BMW Z4 M40i, a 3-litre single twin-scroll turbocharged inline 6 that produces 335 brake horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. This output results in a 0 to 62 mph time of 4.3 seconds and a limited top speed of 155 mph. The car is finished in exclusive A90 only matte storm grey paint and comes with these A90 only forged matte finished 19-inch alloy wheels front and rear. The exterior form is still unchanged in comparison to the standard Supra, but let's still take a closer look at some of its main features. The 3 divisions here follow the form of the Mark IV, but now they are far more open and aggressive than before and come with these small winglets laterally. The lights above now come with 6 beams, twice as many as in the Mark IV, underscored by the LED strip. Dynamic arch top lines run behind these to the new rear arch vents. At the rear, the Supra has lost its large spoiler in favour of this pronounced ducktail. Moving down, the rear light design is also completely different, with these aggressive LED complexes and slim vents below. Underneath, we find the quite aggressive dual-fin diffuser, with 2 instead of just 1 exhaust outlet. At the rear, we also find the car's active differential. Moving inside, the A90 edition features red leather and Alcantara. It shares the same multifunctional steering wheel with the standard Supra, but with these exclusive red 9 and 3 sections. The screen ahead is broken into a few sections, with fuel level on the left, then 2 digital displays with a digital speedo or rev gauge centrally, and engine temperature to the right. Moving across, we find the 8.8-inch central display, where the infotainment system is based on BMW's iDrive system that comes with the usual sat-nav, DAB digital radio and media connectivity options, but here also connected to a premium JBL sound system. As we move down, we find a very familiar central column where we find gloss carbon fibre inlays around the gear selector for the 8-speed automatic. On either side, we find the electrically adjustable seats with memory functions, finished here in limited edition red leather. So that concludes my exterior and interior overview of the 2019 Toyota GR Supra A90 edition from the 2019 Geneva Motorshow. Please subscribe for the latest content, and until next time, thanks for watching.